Seeking to bulletproof your Shopify strategy from common pitfalls? Let's dive into top tips for success on Shopify based on real experiences on Reddit. Remember, don't get too attached to a product or idea. Be ready to move on if it's not turning profit. Start small. Aim to just sell one unit. This helps build momentum and validates your idea. Customer feedback is golden. Pay heed to it. It's even more vital than profit when you're starting out. A/B testing is your secret weapon. An app like Theme Scientist may help you optimize all your storefront aspects. Quality control matters. Ship yourself initially to ensure customers are receiving products promptly and in good condition. Don't fret over logos or packaging at the start. Guess what? A successful Reddit Shopify merchant sale through 10,000 orders with a free logo. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more posts full of Shopify wisdom.